duckies out here. Duck, 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 duck. No goose. They out here snacking, boy. They eating everything out here. Whatever's in this water, they like it. Boom, bam. Right around the corner is the waterfall on the way.
Okay, ladies, I'm just gonna say this one time, and that's it for the rest of my videos. Listen to your husband. I broke a nail, and I scraped my arm trying to climb over to get to the stupid waterfall. So next time I'ma listen.
We done been some more white people too. We done clapped down here with a waterfall that you know they're supposed to be down here. We down here at the waterfall, right here down where the waterfall is. Let me show y'all what we're supposed to be at. Yeah, up there. We supposed to be up on the damn thing up there, but we down here where the damn waterfall at, man. Yeah. Get a couple pictures and get up out of here. We didn't get to get all the way over there, but they about to go all the way to the waterfall. I have my good shoes on. Yeah, time to go though. We'll check it out. But it's nice if you ever want to come check it out, come check it out though. I would have probably went all the way over there and took one, but it's over. Not knee shoes. Well, time to go. I was gonna get some drone footage, but I had to bring my other joystick because this one don't have Wi-Fi, so I need to bring the one that has the one to connect to my phone. Didn't bring it down here, and I'm not about to walk all the way back, you'll see, to go get it. I already came from around that corner way back there. Just tell you, I'm not walking that far. And there's still some more way to go, yes. Once you reach the bend, still have a little bit more to go. Yeah. Got this little straightaway right here, then you're almost back. Got all the duckies, yeah. The mama, the daddy, the uncle, all the little kids. Yeah, this is the last little stretch right here. When we get there, you're gonna see the stairs. There you go. Once you get up there, you're out of here. And the water is out there before you get to the top. But you can go up to the top and see it too from the bridge. Yep, there you have it.